Good morning students. Today we are going to solve exercise 5.3. Okay, these questions. Very important one. You will get for 2 marks. So let's start from the first one. Given that a is equal to 5, d is equal to 3 and it is what? An is equal to 50. You have to find n and Sn. So the first question is a is equal to 5, d is equal to 3, an is equal to 50, and what you have to find? We have to find the value of n and Sn. Clear? So if total term is given, we can find n clearly using general term formula. It is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now an is what? 50, a is 5, n minus 1 into d is what? 3. So transfer this side, it is what? 50 minus 5, it will be 45 is equal to 3n minus 3. Transfer 3 again this side, it is 45 plus 3 is equal to 3n. Therefore 48 is equal to 3n. Cancel it. We got n is equal to 16. N is equal to 16. Now remember, whatever the questions I will solve, you to solve and follow the same pattern only. You do not have to go for the more questions. Don't get panic. Okay, whatever the schedule is given to us, we are following the same thing. Now after finding n, we have to find what? Sn. So if see, an means what? The last term. Always remember, an means last term, and this is what? Equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So if the last term and the first term and n is given, we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Clear? Now what is the number of terms here? 16. So S16 is equal to 16 by 2. A is given as 5 and the last term is given as 50. So 2 8 are 16. 8 into 55. If you multiply, you will get something around 440. So this is what? S60. Clear? ये आपका आ गया आंसर. हमें दो आंसर फाइंड करना था, n और S60. क्लियर? चलिए अभी इसी के सेकेंड पार्ट पर जाते हैं. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन देखो. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन क्या है? गिवन a इज इक्वल टू 7 एंड a13 इज इक्वल टू 35. अभी आपको d और s13 फाइंड करना है. सिर्फ आपको फॉर्मूला यूज करना है, बाकी इसमें कुछ भी नया नहीं करना है, बहुत सिंपल है. तो इन सेकेंड पार्ट वी हैव गिवन a इज इक्वल टू 7, a13 इज इक्वल टू 35. व्हाट यू टू फाइंड? d and s13. So a13, the general term of a13 is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a13 is equal to 7 plus 13 minus 1 into d. What is the value of a13 now? 35. So put here 35 is equal to 7 plus 12d. Now subtract 7 this side. 35 minus 7 is equal to 12d. 28 is equal to 12d, or d is equal to 28 by 12. So it is 4 7 jar, 4 3 jar. We got the value of d as 7 by 3. That you can see. Now what you to find? S13. Once again, see, the last term is given. We got difference, that doesn't matter here. A is given, n is given, and the last term is given. So what formula will use here? Once again it is Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Okay, now S13 is equal to 13 by 2, the value of a. What is the value of a here? The value of a is 7 plus the last term is 35. So S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into, it is 35 plus 7, 42. Now cancel 2, 21 jar. So 13 into 21, it is 31 jar 13, 2 6 7, 28. So we got the value of S13 as 273 or D and this one. So we have to follow the procedure and use the perfect formula to find the values. Let's solve its third part. The third part is given. You can see that third one, A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3. You have to find A and S12. Now you have to find the first term and the sum of number of terms. So what is given now? It is given as A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3. What we have to find? We have to find A and S12. Now let's write solution. That is, what is the value of general term of A12? A12 can be written as A plus 12 minus 1 into D is equal to 37. So it is A plus 11D is equal to 37. Now the value of D is what? A plus 11 into 3 is equal to 37. So A is equal to 37 minus 33. So A is equal to 4. Now we got the value of A as 4. You have to find S12 now. So for S12, see once again the last term is given and we got A. So we will use here Sn is equal to the same formula, n by 2 A plus n. So S12. So I will write here S12 is equal to 12 by 2, A is 4 and the last term is 37. Can you consider 2 6 are 12. So 6 into 41 and you will multiply this, what you will get? S12 is equal to 246. Clear? See how simply I am doing. मैं इतना सिंपली इसलिए कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे जनरल टर्म और सम ऑफ एन टर्म्स का वेरिएशन पता है. तो आप भी जितनी प्रैक्टिस करोगे, खासकर इस पूरे क्वेश्चन की, आप घर पे ट्राई करना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आपको सब कुछ बहुत क्लियरली हो जाएगा. बराबर, ये आपको पूरे चैप्टर की प्रैक्टिस ही दे देगा एक टाइप से. तो इसके सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको करने हैं कंपल्सरी. अभी थर्ड के बाद मैं एक थोड़ा सा नया क्वेश्चन लूँगा आपके लिए. हम उठाते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. थोड़ा सा अलग है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. जस्ट अ मिनट. See now, question number fourth given is, that is A3 is equal to 15. अभी एक नया क्वेश्चन आ गया थोड़ा सा. A3 is equal to 15 and S10, I think 10 is given. See here, it is possibly question number 4. S10 is equal to 125. So S10 is equal to given as 125. What you have to find out there? You have to find out D. Okay, D means what? Common difference find करना है और find करना है A10. D and A10. So let's start to make the equation now. A3 is equal to 15. So what I will write for A3? The general term of A3 is what? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 15. I am making a partition here. So A plus 3 minus 1 into D is equal to 15. So A plus 2D is equal to 15. Make it equation number 1. Now S10 is equal to 125. So we have the formula to find n number of terms is n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So S10, it is 10 by 2 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D. D is again unknown here. D तो फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. So S20 is what? 125. Okay, it is what? 125 is equal to, can you cancel it? 2 5s are 10. Yes, you can. 5. Now it is 2A plus 9D. I can cancel here 125 by 5 because it is into. So we can cancel it 5 to the 10, 5 5 is 25. So here we got the second equation, 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. Equation number 2. Now equation number 1 and equation number 2. So we'll write here solving equation 1 and 2 by elimination method. So elimination method I am going to solve. The first one is given as a plus 2d is equal to 15 and second is 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. Equation number 1 and 2. Now cross change the coefficients. I am multiplying here by 2 and it will be multiplied by 1. So it is 2a plus 4d is equal to 30 and this will be 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. I will change the sign here, minus, minus and minus. So it can be 2 and 2 cancel, it is minus 5d is equal to 5. So therefore d is equal to minus 5 by 5. I got the value of d as minus 1. Now let's find out a. So putting d is equal to minus 1 in any of the equation, I am putting in equation 1. So what is the 1 here? A plus 2d is equal to 15. So a plus 2 into minus 1. Clear? So it is equal to 15. So a minus 2 is equal to 15. You just check this equation once again if you have any kind of doubt. Okay.